Otter provides a comprehensive DTF printing solution, covering everything from consumables to equipment, ensuring a one-stop service. Using Epson's latest i1600 print heads provides highly precise prints on your films. The built-in powder shaking system is equipped with a stirrer. The powder can be evenly spread on the transfer film. The powder-coated film is automatically transferred to the oven. The oven has 5 heating tubes, so that the powder can be melted more quickly and evenly. There are 3 built-in fans that accelerate the printed film cooling. It has an automatic winding system, and the printed film can be taken up on the reel automatically. We also offer an Otter heat press for transferring your designs onto items. Your ideas come to life in just 15 seconds. Our system comes with a 1-year limited warranty and offers multilingual after-sales support, including on-site service for Mexico, the United States, and South America. The print platform supports the most popular film sizes on the market. Equipped with 2 Epson i1600 print heads for more precise printing. With 3-stage heating in the front, middle, and rear, accelerates the ink drying. The adsorption platform works with adjustable pinch rollers, ensuring a snug fit of the film to the platform and allowing for a smoother printing process. The built-in alarm sensor reminds you to add ink in time, minimizing damage to the printer. Equipped with a peristaltic pump, the continuous circulation of white ink prevents sedimentation and printhead clogging. The printer automatically cleans and maintains the printhead at regular intervals, ensuring optimal printing performance. The pause and emergency stop function is a safety design to stop operations immediately to prevent emergencies. This control panel can adjust the temperature, speed, and power. The purification system automatically handles smoke and oil, and without the need to replace filter cotton. With a multi-language system, automatic layout, and pre-created curves, you can efficiently get what you see is what you get results.